Thank you, Justin. After this month's historic flooding swept through our region, an unexpected rescue unfolded on the grounds of a Frankfort distillery. Students from Kentucky State University came together to rescue more than 250 pounds of fish stranded at Buffalo Trace Distillery. Kylie Hill has the story.
It all started when Buffalo Trace officials discovered fish from the Kentucky River trapped on their property.
This is a very unique situation.
The fish traveled more than a quarter-mile from the river before becoming stranded in a pool of water at the distillery.
It's a low-lying area on their property. The floodwaters came up. Of course, we all know about the devastating flood. And as the water started to recede, the fish were trapped in this low-lying area. Fish try to get out of the way of the fast-moving currents in a flood event or in the river in general.
In just 2 days, students with Kentucky State University's aquaculture program stepped in to save more than 250 pounds of native fish species,
including 3 game species, 4 non-game species, and then several different types of minnows. So it's very cool. Out of the 250 pounds of fish that were relocated, only the native species were relocated back to the river.
Cole DeLiden is also a tour guide at Buffalo Trace. His manager at the distillery approached him with the problem, and having a love for fish and bourbon, DeLiden says, in a way, this rescue was the best of both worlds.
It was an excellent opportunity for us to get together and showcase our skill set and our resources and use them to help recover after a natural disaster. And we did it in a type of way that we'll never forget.
The group waded into the muddy water and used seine nets to rescue the fish.
We did it seamlessly, and that's part of that tight-knit community we have where we can rely on each other to help hop in and help out wherever we're needed.
In somewhat of an ironic twist, the largest fish rescued from the distillery was a bigmouth buffalo.
Turns out it's a native fish, and they're very long-lived. They live on average 70 to 80 years, actually, and there's some that have lived longer than that. So it's fascinating to learn these things.
The rescued fish will temporarily stay at the university to recover before being returned to their home in the Kentucky River. In Frankfort, Kylie Hill, Fox 56 News.